Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. Today I'll be showing you how I make a very summer drink that you can take. You can make it either hot or cold, so you can enjoy it during the winter as hibiscus tea. You can enjoy it with ice cubes during the summer. So, and I always flavor mine with anise, cloves and cinnamon sticks. So what I do is I wash my hibiscus, dry hibiscus flower very well, because it's sometimes, not even sometimes, it has sand at the bottom if you check it out very well. So after washing my dry, don't bother yourself probably that the water is changing colors. There is a lot of goodness in this. And so after washing it, I clean it very well, rinse it several times with my sieve so that I can sieve it. You know, when you pour water into it, and at the bottom, when you wash it with your hands, like kind of like putting your hands under and putting it up. I don't know how to explain this. And you just you'll see how I use my stuff to, you know, scoop it out, so it won't collect the sand that is already settling under at the bottom of your container. So after I wash it very well, like 3 to 4 times, I put it in a large pot depending on how much I'm making. Then I add my cinnamon stick, I always add a star anise, and I add my cloves. Now, sometimes I will slice some oranges and apple in it with my pineapple skin. When I want to use the pineapple skin, I prefer to use the organic pineapple because I want to use the skin. But if I don't want to use the pineapple skin, I can just go for the one that is non-organic. That's my preference anyway. So I boil it with some orange, pineapple, ginger. Sometimes I slice the ginger in it, sometimes I blend it. So I place it on the stove. I'm sorry if I'm rushing this. After placing it on the stove, the pineapple itself, I will juice it or I blend it. But I prefer, since I have a juice, I just prefer to just juice it, because the stress of straining, I don't want to do that. So I just juice it. So when I'm juicing it, I add my ginger. Then my lemon, I can slice some lemon in it too. And then I juice all that. So and I boil my drink for about 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes, and it's looking so good and so yummy. Then I bring it out, I let it cool down. I remove all the hibiscus flower in it. Some people would extract the water and pour in more water in it. Sometimes what I do is, if I don't want to do too many batches, instead of reboiling that leaf the second time, I'll just freeze it. So when I freeze it, I would use it the next time with another fresh one. That is my preference, and it works well for me. So once it's cool, it's totally cooled down, and I've removed everything inside. Then I lost my footage. I just forgot about myself when I was shooting this video, so I didn't shoot when I blend my fresh fruit. So after blending it and the Zobo is cool, I will add it to it. Instead of mixing it with water, I mix it with my blended juice, ginger, pineapple, orange, you know, what I want. And you can sweeten this with any kind of sweetener, though I use sugar here. Sometimes I sweeten it with dates. You can sweeten it with what's it called now, with honey, and you can serve this Zobo hot or cold. You can take it in the morning as a hot tea, and you can take it in the afternoon, just to cool yourself down. You can serve it any time of the day. You can enjoy it any time of the day. Quickly, I would like to share some benefits. Zobo is an antioxidant. It's very rich in antioxidants. It may help lower blood pressure. It could help fight bacteria. It boosts immune system. Those are some of the benefits of this Zobo drink. But I would advise that we should not add too much sugar, because when you add too much sugar, I think it just doesn't, I don't know, but it doesn't work well for me. I use sugar sometimes, but not too much. Then you can, as you can see, I'm storing mine in the bottle, and I'll put it in the fridge, or I freeze it, and when I need it, I bring it out and I drink it, or I warm it up and just take it hot. I hope you try this with your family and enjoy this beautiful summer that is coming ahead of us. Have a lovely one. See you in my next video. Thank you. One more thing is you can serve this with, as a, like when your kids, you can use it. Like my last video that I did, I made a video about how I make ice cream bar. You can also do this with it. So you watch my last video where I did popsicle. You can make this into popsicle and give your children to drink, during summer period. Thank you. I would link the video. I'll put it up by the maybe left or right hand side. You'll see the link to the video. Then you can refer to it and see how you can make this Zobo. You can turn it into popsicle. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye.